Children, take your English notebook, 4-line page. Take one new page and write in the margin today's date 26/07/2021 and today's day Monday, Monday. So children, now I am going to show how to write next letters. Until now we had learned A to H in this book. So next letters we are going to learn now. On this pink line we have to one slipping line and one standing line from pink line to blue line from top to bottom. Another one slipping line makes I. One slipping line, one standing line, one slipping line makes I. So after I, what you have to do? 3 fingers distance take, then point here, then after I, J we have to write. So one slipping line, on this pink line we have to write one slipping line and one standing line from top to bottom and one small curve till blue line. One small curve till blue line. Okay, this makes J. J. Now again 3 finger distance take, point here, then I, J. Next letter is K. For K what we need? We need one standing line from top to bottom, one standing line, and from pink line to blue line one small cross line, then from pink blue line to blue line one small cross line makes K. One standing line, one small cross line, another small cross line makes K. I, J, K. Now after this again 3 fingers distance take, point here, then L. One standing line from top to bottom, take one standing line, then write one slipping line, standing line and one slipping line makes L. So one page is I, J, K, L. So this is your class work. So you have to write and take C, W. Okay, right and day you have to write, C, W you have to write, and this you have to neatly, don't use 4 lines, only in 3 lines only you have to write. 1, 2, 3. In 3 lines only you have to write. Okay. So next page, turn the page. After L, what I have to write here? Yes, that's correct. I have to write here M. So M, what I need? We need one standing line from top to bottom, from pink line to blue line, one standing line and one cross line from pink line to blue line, another one cross line from pink line to blue line, another one standing line from top to bottom, from pink line to bottom line, from blue line. So one standing line, one small cross line, another small cross line and another one standing line makes M. So after M what I have to do? 3 fingers distance and do here one point, take a 1 point. So after M what I have to write here? N, one standing line and from pink line to blue line one cross line, another one standing line from pink line to blue line makes N. N. Again you have to take 3 finger distance and one big zero makes from top to bottom, from pink line to blue line one zero makes O. Zero makes O. M and O. After O you have to take again 3 finger distance, then point here, one standing line from top to bottom, from pink line to blue line one standing line and one small curve makes from pink line to blue line small curve make P. So again you have to write and take here C W on the heading. Okay, this also you have to write. After P, what I have to write here? Yes, Q. So 1 0 and 1 small cross line from blue line to blue line. Cross line makes Q. One go around 0 and one small cross line makes Q. After this Q, take 3 finger distance. So we have to write now R. Next letter is R. So next alphabet is R. Then what we need to write R? One small standing line from top to bottom, from pink line to blue line, standing line, and a small curve from pink line to blue line, from pink line to blue line one small curve, and from blue line to blue line one cross line. Okay, one standing line, one small curve, and a cross line. So children, whenever we'll write like this way, from starting to end, we have to write like this way. Okay, Q R. Don't remove your pencil from starting to ending. Okay, so Q R. Now next alphabet is S. After R, what will come? S. S will come. So what we need to write? Yes, one small curve from this side, another one small curve from this side. Okay, one small curve from this side, another one small curve this side. So from top to bottom makes yes. Two curves makes a S. Yes. Okay. Now after this S, you have to take a 3 line distance. Then S. After S, what will come? T. So T, what we need to write T? One slipping line, one slipping line, one standing line, one standing line, one slipping line, one standing line makes T. So again you have to write and take here C W. Children, after T, what we have to write here? T U. For U, what we need here to write? One standing line and a curve and one standing line makes U. One standing line and curved line and standing line makes U. And after this, we have 3 fingers distance take. One cross line from top to bottom, another one cross line from top to bottom. See, one cross line top to bottom, another one cross line from top to bottom. When you writing this, don't remove your pencil. Okay, after you have to complete this, only you have to take a pencil. Okay, U V. Now after V, what I have to write here? W. So W, what we need to write? We need one standing line from top to bottom and one cross line from pink line to this blue line. We have to join here. Then one cross line, another one standing line makes W. So see children, standing line, standing line makes W. Then after W, what I have to write here? 3 fingers distance we have to take. Cross line from top to bottom, another cross line from top to bottom, X. Write and take here also heading CW. After the x, what we have to write here? Y. So for y, what we need here to write? One small cross line from pink line to blue line, and another one cross line from pink line to blue line. One big cross line, one small cross line, one big cross line, one small cross line, and one big cross line. So for y, what we need? One small cross line, another one big cross line makes y. After y, take 3 fingers distance, one slipping line and one cross line, another one slipping line makes z. Slipping line, cross line, slipping line makes z. So this is your classwork 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pages your English classwork. So children, you have to write neatly. You have to write in 3 lines only. Don't use 4 lines, okay? And who will write neatly and clean, they'll get star and very good. If you want star and good, then you have to write neatly, and you only have to write